Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix your PC needs to be repaired error code 0xc000000e. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click repair your computer, click troubleshoot, click command prompt. Type BCD edit, find your boot drive and Windows drive, in my case C is boot drive and D is Windows installation drive. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. No star indicate, this partition type is BIOS partition. Type bootrec space, /fix mbr. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. If any errors use this command, bootsec space, /nt60 space, sys. Type bootrec space, /fix boot. Type attrib space, /boot /bcd space, -h space, -r space, -s. Type ren space, /boot /bcd space, bcd.oldave. Type bootrec space, /rebuild bcd. Type boot space, d:\n space, /l space, n-us space, /s space, c:\n space, /f space, BIOS. Exit and start Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.